I am right now running several cases, you know that. 3 times an attempt murder. That case also filed in several police stations. Even when I am prison in last month in May month, that time also I get it from that. That case is complained by the same Karnataka DGP and Commissioner and Chennai Commissioner, Chennai DGP also. I know when they take the decision, I have the threat, everything.
Okay.
At least the further nobody cheating in the public.
Okay.
Nobody youth you can't abuse anymore. Financial cheating is secondary.
Okay. But your intention is like that.
Intention that is only.
ಓಕೆ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ಈಗ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೆನಿನ್ ಅವರು ಹೇಳೋ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನಾನು ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಚಾರಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದೆ, ಹಾಗೇನೆ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ನಂಬಿದ್ದೆ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಈತನ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಯಾವಾಗ ಹೇಳಿಕೆಗಳು ಬಂದ್ವು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಿನಯ್ ಭಾರದ್ವಾಜ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಹಾಗೇನೆ ನಿತ್ಯ ಗೋಪಿಕಾ ಅವರ ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ಶಾಕ್ ಆಯ್ತು 100%. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸಹಜವಾಗಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತನ ವಿರುದ್ಧವಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ್ಲೇ ನಮಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಆಕ್ರೋಶ ಭರಿತರಾಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಇನ್ನು ದೈವ ಅಂತ ನಂಬಿದಂಥದ್ದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ದೇವರಂತ ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ಅಂತವನ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ನನಗೆ ನಿಜಕ್ಕೂ ಶಾಕ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ದಿನಗಳ ಕಾಲ ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಬರೀ ನೀರನ್ನ ಕುಡಿತಾ ಇದೆ, ಊಟ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಮಾತುಗಳು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ನಿತ್ಯ ಗೋಪಿಕಾ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ವಿನಯ್ ಭಾರದ್ವಾಜ್ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಬಂದು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಫ್ರಾಡ್ ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕೇಳಕ್ ಬಯಸ್ತೇನೆ, ಅವರು ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರನೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಈ ವಿಚಾರಗಳನ್ನ, ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಫ್ರಾಡ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ?
No, it is actual whistleblower, first whistleblower is Vinay Bharadwaj. He's failed.
Okay.
He's failed. He called Mrs. Aarti Rao. It happened in 2009 in June, I believe, 29 or 30. That is evidence is there. That is right now the charge sheet. Aarti Rao is one of the secretary of Nityananda.
Okay, personal secretary.
Personal secretary. When I joined in 2006, she is the personal secretary. So, those people who told about him, those very, very close to Nityananda.
No,
So,
the question
I am shocked.
On that situation, you were not going to ready those accept those things.
Sorry?
I mean, you are not ready to accept those things. Whatever you have.
What those people told is very close to Nityananda. I am totally shocked actually.
Okay.
Then only I'll take slowly, I think maybe it is true. Then I find out, I speak to another ashramites. I don't want to expose those people. Those people right now in the not ashram, few of them is still.
Okay.
So I don't want mention her name, at least those people, poor girls.
Okay.
Later I find out, I talk to the victims.
What will be the problem here if you tell this?
No. Why unnecessarily then any exposed?
It's a fact. No, you are telling
fact.
it. Fact.
See,
you
those
not
three.
lying, right?
The 3 people already is officially I mentioned the charge sheet and FIR everything. All those once the trial will start, those people will come. Definitely will come. I know that.
ಓಕೆ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರು, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆನಿನ್ ಅವರು ಹೇಳೋ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನಾನು ಕೂಡ ಮೋಸವಾಗಿರುವಂತದ್ದು ನಿಜ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಈ ಮುಂಚೆ ಕೂಡ ಕೇಳಿದ್ವಿ, ಗುರು ಅಂತ ಒಪ್ಪಿಕೊಂಡ ಮೇಲೆ ಅವರನ್ನ ಪೂಜಿಸುವಂತದ್ದು ಸರಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಂತ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅವರ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಹೇಳಿಕೆಗಳು ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಹಿಂದೆ ಸರಿಯೋದು ಎಷ್ಟರ ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಸರಿ ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೂಡ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಹೌದು, ನಾನು ಮೋಸ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ಆದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ಇಂಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಇಷ್ಟೇ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸನ್ಯಾಸತ್ವನ ಹುಡುಕೊಂಡು ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ಪಿರಿಚುವಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಮೋಸ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಬೇರೆ ವಿಚಾರ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಆಧ್ಯಾತ್ಮ ವಿಚಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಹುಡುಕೊಂಡು ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಉನ್ನತಿಯನ್ನ ಸಾಧಿಸಬೇಕು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನ್ ಬಂದಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮೋಸ ಆಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಅನ್ನೋದು ನನ್ನ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ ಅಂತ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಆರ್ತಿ ರಾವ್ ಅವರು, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಮೊದಲು ವಿನಯ್ ಭಾರದ್ವಾಜ್ ಅವರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Right?
Vinay Bharadwaj, one of the in charge of the ashram, Seattle in America. He is also brahmachari. Brahmachari.
Okay. ಅವರಿಂದ ಇದು ವ್ಯಕ್ತವಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
This is the first time he is telling in 2009 in June month.
The question is, why those people come and tell with you this?
Not only telling me, that is why Vinay Bharadwaj told several people his failure. That details documents first charge sheet is available.
Okay.
He is actually first whistleblower.
Okay.
He failed. He contacted the Aarti Rao. That email communication, everything right now, the first charge sheet.
Okay.
Okay, after you got Swami's fraud, then how you get inside of Swami's bedroom and put in a camera there?
See, I want expose Nityananda, the original face. He is not a spiritual man. He is not a god. He is not a, the name of Kavi he wearing, but he is cheating, abusing the women's, and not only women's, young boys also.
Okay.
So just like that,
homo and hetero.
Yeah, just like that I can go tell anybody, nobody believe. See, the last 2 years we are fighting, literally I am fighting. Such a evidence is there, the FSL report is there. Still these people is not even claiming, is not even agree. So I can ask one question.
Tell me.
Before maybe I will just like that I will give the press meet or something I told.
Okay,
Anybody, nobody believe.
I do agree. I can accept your point. But the now point is.
So that's why I will take the
Have you heard about Santosh? You know,
I know. He joined 2009. He joined.
what do you say?
2008 or
Actually,
2009.
his intention, you know?
What
Do you know his
latest
intention now?
developments I heard
Yeah,
about
actually,
it. Mm.
his parents were requesting
Yeah.
to come again.
This is not a small, new story. It
Okay.
is several story happened like that.
He is also so mature guy. I
So
think
matured,
34,
so
35.
educated.
ವಿನಯ್ ಭಾರದ್ವಾಜ್ ಅವ್ರ ಅಮ್ಮ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಫೋನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರು ಸೇಮ್ ಸೀನ್ ಅವಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಿತ್ತಂತೆ. ಅವನು ವಿನೋದ್ ಭಾರದ್ವಾಜ್ ಕಾವಿ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದು ಇವರು ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಇವನು ಅದೇ ತರ ರೆಫ್ಯೂಸ್
This
ಮಾಡಿದ್ದ.
type I want to.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ನಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ವಿನಯ್ ಭಾರದ್ವಾಜ್ಗೆ ಏನು ನೀವು ಸ್ವಾಮೀಜಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅನ್ನೋದು. ಆ ನಂತರ ಅವ್ನು ಹೊರಗೋದ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್
Okay.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದಿನ ಸಂತೋಷ
Okay.
ಎಲ್ಲ
I want
He
one thing tell you.
Santosh
See, I am
Brahmachari
very-
or sannyasi?
Huh?
He Santosh Brahmachari.
Depend on the person, depend on his mind. That is different angle. What I am saying, what happened in my life.
Okay.
In 2008 in December 6, my father is left.
Okay.
So Nityananda told he go to the last cremation work. I went alone in my village. I not even doing anything further as per my father did. I not because I am wearing kavi. My master God given the kavi. I not with kavi. I can't do any. The father and son no connection.
Okay.
Already I am take brahmacharya. So I told my another elder brother only did everything. I am also same position that. You believe it? My father is left. I can't do anything. I am brahmachari. It is evidence. Everything is evidence is there.
Okay.
You received sannyasatva or brahmacharya?
Brahmacharya.
Brahmacharya, not sannyasatva.
Sannyasa tattva mean it is different.
Yeah.
It is a brahmacharya. First I take in 2006 brahmacharya.
You were in kavi or white dress?